And welcome back to Steve's Monumental Adventure, and we are back after our summer break. We are back with a beautiful new video, and it's all about the Mersey Gateway Bridge, and we lift the lid on this amazing engineering feat. We are on episode 56, series 3. Let's get into the video. Well guys, we're at a place called Spike Island. And this is just on the outskirts of Runcorn, and it's sort of a little kind of park, if you like, but one of the features of this is the view of that new bridge there. That is the Mersey Bridge, and it's managed by a company called Mersey Flow, and it's a toll bridge. I think it's only cheap to get through, but the cheeky thing is there's no toll booths. All you do is you drive through, get on the app, and then pay for your parking. Not your parking, you'll trip across it. Anyway, I've always wanted to drone this beauty, and hopefully, with fingers crossed, I get the opportunity, because I'm sure you'll agree it is epic. For decades, a single lifeline stretched across the Mersey, connecting communities and fueling industry. But as the world sped up, that lifeline began to strain. The demand for the connection grew, and something was needed, something bold, something monumental. This story is a vision which was brought to life, and a testament to modern engineering, a vital artery for the Northwest. This is the story of the Mersey Gateway Bridge. By the early 21st century, the iconic Silver Jubilee Bridge was battling congestion, becoming a bottleneck for over 80,000 vehicles every day. The region needed a new solution, a new crossing. The answer was a state-of-the-art 6-lane cable-stayed bridge designed to handle the future. Construction began on the Mersey Gateway Bridge in 2014, a massive undertaking employing thousands of people. It was delivered by the Mersey Consortium, a partnership comprising of some of the world's leading infrastructure companies such as Kia, Samsung, C&T and the FFSC Construction. The engineers and construction workers faced challenges of tides, weather and sheer ambition of design, working tirelessly to bring this amazing vision to life. The Mersey Gateway isn't just a functional bridge, it's an architectural marvel. Its 3 striking pylons, varying in height, support a sweeping deck via a magnificent array of stay cables. It's a symbol of progress, blending seamlessly into the landscape while making a powerful statement. Let's look at the bridge's vital statistics. Its total length is 2.1 kilometres, that's 1.3 miles, and that includes its approach viaducts. The pylon heights, the central one stands at 125 metres, that's 410 feet, flanked by the other 2 outer pylons at 110 metres, 360 feet, and 100 metres tall. There's 6 lanes of traffic, 3 in each direction. The cables, it has 147 stay cables ranging from 55 to 227 metres long, totalling 84 kilometres or 52 miles if they were laid end to end. Over 230,000 cubic metres of concrete was used. That's enough to fill 92 Olympic-sized swimming pools. 8,000 tonnes of structural steel was used, and it was opened on October the 14th, 2017. It cost approximately 600 million for the bridge to be built and its connecting roads. Let's take a look at how the Mersey Gateway Bridge was built, and let's meet the engineers that made it happen.
We've been talking about a new bridge for about 20 years, and in the end, finally, they agreed that a bridge was needed, and here we are.
The reason we're here is because the old crossing, the Silver Jubilee Bridge, which was constructed in 1961, was originally designed for around 9,000 vehicles a day and is currently trying to handle up to 90,000 vehicles a day.
The major driver behind the bridge was that it will open up communications with the rest of the roads network in the UK. It also gives a direct link to Liverpool Port and Liverpool Airport. Well, everyone talks about Mersey Gateway being about the bridge, but it's so much more than just the bridge. The bridge is 2 kilometres in length when you include the approaches, but there's also 7 kilometres of approach roads that include 12 major structures and 8 major highway junctions, any one of which could be a major project in its own right.
The bridge project as a whole starts in Ditton, which is on the Widnes side of the project, and runs all the way across the bridge to the M56 Junction 12.
So this is a joint venture of 3 parties. We've got FCC, Samsung and Kia, all 3 who work in the global market. FCC have brought technical knowledge and expertise to the project. They have, of course, built cable stay bridges and large approach viaducts similar to this worldwide.
The joint construction venture has made it possible to contribute an enormous amount of international experience to the project. FCC's approach in all projects is to use this technical expertise to continuously improve quality. We have the support of the technical service in Spain, geotechnical service, design service, engineer. It has been a hard issue, the design and the innovation of all that technical temporary activities. That mobile scaffolding system that we have applied in the main bridge with 6 form travelers, in the north and the south approach with 2 mobile scaffolding systems, 2 big machines of 70 meters.
As you can see, just no water in the Mersey just now, so you can't use marine vessels. So we've had to build a trestle that gives us the access to and from, and that actually dictated how we built this structure. That, together with major coffer dams that are built at the various pile locations to allow us to go down 15 to 20 metres to build the foundations for the bridge, are probably the main unique temporary works structures that we've built during the project.
Probably the greatest challenge has been also the coordination of an international joint venture team, more than 1,000 workers in different places in such a challenging place, and as well as dealing with the adverse weather in the Mersey Valley.
There's been various challenges to date on the project. In the south, the challenges have been more of traffic management and of dealing with the residents and local businesses. We're working over live traffic. We have to do a lot of night shifting and move the traffic around to various paths so we can actually work over them.
We have our own environmental team who are based on site and carry out environmental impact studies for everything that we do on site. The area has been very heavily impacted by contamination left by previous industries.
To date, we haven't actually had to send any material off-site, so we've actually been able to treat the material and use it back in the embankments during the construction process, which has been a real win for the project.
The bridge really hasn't had a great effect on the environment, and I think that's down to the care they've taken on looking after the environment while they're doing the job.
The size of the project was always going to have impact on the local community, so we needed to bring them along with us on the journey.
We applied to Mersey Gateway through Time Bank for support, and the generosity that they gave us produced the fantastic play area we've got. It's helped the community because it's expanded the services we offer.
The volunteers are a real lifeline for us. We've got 40 volunteers. They actually staff our visitor centres, but they also go out and do the community engagement, they do our school presentations, and that has been really, really successful. I think the volunteer programme is the biggest success of our community engagement on the project.
I am so glad I have done this. The response has been phenomenal. We have had over 25,000 visitors. The kids have enjoyed it, the teachers have, the people I work with, and I feel very privileged to be involved in such a massive deal like this. It's one of the best things I've ever done.
The response from the community has been very positive because obviously it's affected a lot of people's lives with all the work, and they are part of this, an historic moment if you like.
FCC, of course, is proud to work on such a major project in the UK. We want to use this knowledge of the market and this experience to win new opportunities in the future.
So now you know how it was built, let's take a drive over this amazing bridge. Since its opening in 2017, the Mersey Gateway Bridge has transformed travel in the region. It's significantly reduced journey times, eased congestion and provided a vital boost to the local economy. Together with the refurbished Silver Jubilee Bridge, which is coming up in a future video, these two crossings now form a crucial network ensuring smooth passage and countless journeys every day. The Mersey Gateway isn't just a feat of engineering, it's a testament to ambition and foresight. It connects people, businesses and futures, standing as a beacon of modern infrastructure, a vital link, a stunning network, a symbol of the region, always looking forward. Thank you for watching and don't forget to join us on the next video. Please like and subscribe the channel to help it grow.